Through difficult times, we gotta keep moving. Through the toughest moments, we gotta keep pushing. You ain't alone in this shit. You know I got you.
Hope that we remain strong.
Hope that we remain strong.
Yeah.
Hope that we remain strong.
Hope that we remain strong.
Hope that we remain strong.
Come on.
Hope that we remain strong.
Hope that we remain strong.
Hope that we remain strong.
Yeah.
Hope that we remain strong.
Hope that we remain strong.
Hope that we remain strong.
Come on.
Hope that we remain strong.
Listen, this is a toast for all my dogs who have gone through the most. For the ones still alive and for the ones who turn ghosts. See, as long as I am living, the lessons y'all gave I'm giving. Cause ruining the beauty of life is what I'm prohibiting. Loyalty is royalty forever in my kingdom. Eternally gratuitous for helping me get through with this. Challenge after challenge, recovering from the damage. I'm increasing the mind at a day by stay for the advantage. I know who been supported since I first started recording, but those who claim they know me are the ones I've been ignoring. Pouring my heart out through these raps, they weren't confirming. Was no longer within reach the moment I started soaring. To my realest supporters, I owe that's word of God. Please excuse all of that noise that you hear from these frauds. Hear my eloquence has benevolence to defeat malevolence, putting the emphasis towards development of excellence. In an unintentional role model I become. Now there's children on this earth looking up to the only one. So I say to my riders, until my time's expired, through the rights and wrongs I pray and hope that we all remain strong.
Hope that we remain strong.
Yeah.
Hope that we remain strong.
Hope that we remain strong.
Hope that we remain strong.